5 di Trenitalia, proveniente da Piacenza e diretto a Ancona, delle ore 12:28, è in arrivo al binario 2. Attenzione! Allontanarsi dalla linea gialla. Ferma in tutte le stazioni eccetto Rimini Fiera, Monte Marciano, Palombina.
Alle 6 meno un quarto.
No, veramente. Organizzato.
Ladies and gentlemen, get ready, because today your mouth will be watering all over the place. I'm in Bologna today, heading to Zeus' place, and we are going to cook together a Moroccan dish. Oh. It's called Tajin, and it's... I don't know what the hell that is, but it sounds good. I mean, he told me that it's pretty good. Hey, you wanna see something cool? That's Little Venice in Bologna. I mean, what? This city's got everything.
Hi, man. Let's go.
Juliet is here. All right.
All right. Good morning, guys.
So, what's on the menu today?
Menu, we have we need to prepare Tajin,
Yeah.
and this is the first time for you.
Yeah.
No. Now we are going to buy some vegetables.
Yeah, some groceries and then...
Yes, a fresh one, right? Because you need to prepare with fresh.
Yep. Yep.
And we gonna back home and prepare everything, and you're gonna see all the process.
Here we are.
Fresh potatoes. 4 big are enough.
Onions.
Yes. This is like and tomato, right?
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes.
Or if you want to be British, tomatoes.
Tomato can take like 3.
He's in shorts. I mean, the weather in
Bologna is so good right now that you can just basically run around in
Okay.
This is, you like spicy?
Yeah, but not too spicy.
We like enough. Carrots. Pepperoni.
Basically, you put a lot of stuff in this, like whatever you want, you just
Yes.
can put. And now we've got everything, almost.
Almost we need just bread, and that's it. Because we had everything, and it was so cheap, like €3 and something. Yes, €1 per person.
Peas.
Questo qua. Questo.
We have got literally everything. We just need to go home, start cooking, and okay, let's see how it goes. What is this? What do you know about
Tajin? Okay, Tajin is like an Arabic dish. You can eat it almost every day, but it's made for occasion. If you meet someone and you wanna invite him or her in your place, you make Tajin, and after that you do
a cup of tea?
Yeah, and we are not like England. You can drink it all day, and it's great, and it's you can put everything inside, vegetable, meat, and wherever you prefer, and yes.
So actually, do you cook it inside this, or?
Yeah, you put we're gonna see the process,
Okay.
but you're gonna put everything inside,
and
and you leave it for almost 1 hour and a half.
In the oven?
Yes. No, not the oven. In the.
On the stove.
Yes, and
Okay.
for 1 hour and 30, and you're gonna cook slowly,
Nice.
and after that you're gonna smell it, and it's okay. And after the vegetable, I will show you the secret of Tajin is the spicy.
Yeah.
You're gonna mix a lot of things together. It's
Okay.
like a magic thing,
Nice.
And after that you're gonna we need to wait.
Okay, cool.
It's all about patience in kitchen.
Yeah, patience is key. can see, we have cut the vegetables, and now we are setting layers of vegetables in the tajin. Okay, so basically what he's doing, because I am not doing anything today really, is he's setting the layers of the vegetables, starting with those that are cooking slower, like potatoes and onions, and then you move up to carrots and courgettes, zucchini, and then peppers and tomatoes.
The last
Ones, because they cook faster. So yeah, that's all. Basically, it's pretty simple, but I bet my ass this is so good. We're gonna try. We're talking about spices. This is like the thing that gives the boost to the dish, right? So
it's like a secret.
yeah.
And you need to put some paprika. This is pepper.
Put that in.
Curcuma. We don't need like to put too much, just a little bit like this. Ginger in powder.
Oh, I like ginger.
Yes, and let's put together.
I love
everything.
ginger.
We put some paprika, but the other one, but
Okay,
just a little
the
bit.
spicy one. That's a lot, man.
Okay.
That's a lot. Are you trying to kill me?
Okay.
It's a lot.
This one is okay.
Okay, this looks better.
Okay, that's great. And we're gonna mix all together, and then we're gonna put everything in the tajin.
B-roll. All we have to do is to put this on the stove, and we're good to go. Basically, it's pretty easy, and you know, you do. Stop eating. And yeah, we're gonna let it on the stove for how long? An hour and a half.
1 hour and a half.
An hour and a half.
good.
And in the meantime, I don't know. We're gonna do some stuff. Maybe drink tea. I don't know.
That's good.
Tea is always a good idea.
What's up guys, I'm Othmane from Morocco, living in Bologna, I'm a vlogger as well, and yeah, that's it.
I'm gonna link his channel because he does a lot of videos, like every week he's like 3 videos, 4 videos or stuff like that. But unfortunately, most of it is in Arabic and I cannot understand the whole thing. So I'm gonna watch like 1 minute. I'll watch 1 minute and yeah, then I'm not okay. I don't understand anything. So.
But sometimes I put
Yeah, subtitles or it's in English.
When I'm in mood, therefore.
That's so good.
About tea.
So this is tea, I think, with the chimin.
Time.
Chimin in German. time, and so you can put like whatever you want with the jam, with the ginger, with the mint.
Oh, ginger is good. Yeah. Black tea.
And black tea, but our
Or mint.
my favorite one is with mint.
Oh yeah, I love mint.
Yeah.
That's like super cool.
And that's what we were doing like this. It's our traditional in Morocco to make sambal and to drink it.
Why? Why do you have to?
It's like a traditional.
Okay.
To make
And
some-
do you drink it from glasses or from?
From glasses.
Why
Like this.
why don't you drink it from a cup?
I don't know, but it's like as I told you, like
It's tradition.
Yeah.
Okay.
We are not like England.
We are not like in London or Birmingham.
Now we drinking tea at 3:30.
And also, so you can drink tea like as Italian do in Italy, like drinking tea whenever you want. So like in the morning, or after your dinner, after your lunch. So.
I wish you could smell this. The smell is starting to smell pretty damn good in here. Look at this.
It need only 20-25 minutes and it will be ready.
Okay, so it's almost ready. It smells amazing. This is pure goodness. Lift it up. Look at this. Yeah, look at this. I mean, come on. You ready, guys?
We are ready. Model.
This is the Tajin, and Othmane gonna teach you how to eat.
How do I eat this?
Yes.
So just take piece of toast.
Here.
It's still hot.
The first try.
Oh my god. Come on. This
It's great.
This is good.
Is salty enough or no?
Yep. We've added enough salt. How do you say bon appetit or bon appetit?
You say bsaha. Bsaha. Say it. Bsaha.
Psaha. Now this is what's left. And we're kind of full. I mean, I'm pretty full. I just cannot eat anymore.
You're full.
Yeah, man. I just want another cup of tea. Glass of tea, sorry. And then I think I'm good. I think that's gonna be it for today. We're going for a longboard ride after this, but
Yes.
I don't want to bring anything with me, just longboard and
Music and,
Music and that's-
positive vibe. And
yeah, and
relaxing.
that's that basically. So I think that's been it. Don't like, don't share, don't subscribe, don't do any of
Dislike,
that
please,
shit.
this
Yeah,
video.
dislike this because again, I don't.
Just kidding.
You're not
Just
gonna
kidding.
like it if I'm telling you to like
No,
it. So
Just kidding.
no, I'm not kidding. Don't like it if you don't like
Yeah,
it.
don't like it. Dislike it.
And I will see you in the next video. Bye.
No.
Dude, this is amazing, man. I love it.
It's not gonna last, you know.
Yeah, I know. We're gonna finish it right now.